What we have here is the HotWav R9 Plus, which is an upgraded version of the R9 Pro, which came out last year. This is one of their entry-level ruggedized tablets. If you don't know why you would want a ruggedized tablet, well, if you have a tablet, any kind of tablet at home collecting dust, you don't use it because they're fragile. These aren't fragile. I've actually already done a review of the R10 Pro, this thing's little brother, and smashed an iPad with it, among other things.
Again. Hit it again.
These things, you can take them out and beat them up. They don't break. They're a little heavier, but that's a small trade-off for being able to actually use the thing outside the house. We're talking 20,000 milliamp hour battery. It's got nicer entry-level, modern entry-level processor in it. Good memory. Unlike Roopull and Samsung, these guys pack the box full of all the kind of goodies you could possibly want. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing, and a full review video will be coming up quite soon. A good bit heavier than the R10. Nice solid build. Nice clicky buttons. And there is the SIM card / SD card slot, or TF card slot, and USB-C charging port. Charging port? Charging port. And take that off. Another free flathead screwdriver. They include that in everything, and all these tablets. It's nice. Nice. I think it's a 30 watt, 33 watt charger. I forget. This is the strap you would use if you were to put that on the back. I had that on the R10. You can look at that review. There'll be a link in the description. Makes it truly one-handable. Miniature A to C cable. Packet of screws and a SIM card tool, so you can either attach the big metal handle or the strap. A long C to C cable. Is this a C to C? Yeah, it's a C to C. Yeah. These are the brackets that you would use to attach the strap. I'm not going to be using those. And this chunky thing. Listen to this. This is metal. Listen. You could bludgeon somebody with that. And paperwork that no one's ever going to read. And the wipes, because it does come with a glass screen protector. Alright, love you guys. See you later. Tune in for the full review and more.